fast. It's so hot. Look. No, this is strawberry cheesecake. Guys, it's my last day of this view. Yep, my very last day, sadly. I could take the view, I just can't take the food. But yeah, it's my last day and I'm kind of bummed, but I'm going back to some place where I'll be having lots of fun, so that's okay too, right? Well, yeah, I need to get dressed. Let me show you what I'm wearing today. Actually, no, I won't show you now. Yeah, I'll just take a shower and then get dressed and I'll show you what I'm wearing. But yeah, I'm all packed. I'm all packed for the day and everything. Yeah, we all packed. And we're just getting ready to leave. Because we need, yeah. We need to eat before we leave, and we leave at 10. We get picked up at 10. So yeah, we'll also be seeing my best friend today, Shanae. You'll be seeing her today because we're going to Devon to have ice cream, and we're gonna have KFC, and I think see another person, and then I'll be going back home in St. Thomas, where I'll be for a few days before I leave. I'll be going to Portland also, so stay tuned for that vlog. I just woke up, as you can see. So yeah, stay tuned for that vlog and you'll see, because I'm about to have fun still. Okay, my fun, and that's one period. Right, so I'll see you guys in when I get dressed. So guys, I am ready and this is my outfit. Just step back a little, but yeah, just the mom jeans with some shoes and a white top, just a little belly out, just a little bit. Guys, I feel sick. Well, not sick, COVID sick, just like woman sick. Just saying. We're going to breakfast right now. Do you think they have good breakfast today? Do you think they have good breakfast today?
Yeah, that's something to my max that we've been spending for years. So.
Tasting is believing.
Well, true that. That's so true.
Yeah, so we're just gonna go down and have breakfast, and I'll show you guys what we're gonna have. So guys, I just got some oatmeal porridge, and she got the good stuff over there. Fried dumpling with steamed veggies and curry chicken. I'm getting it. Yeah, I can't. My belly is hurting me, so I'm just sticking to the basic like porridge, and then I'm getting minty and some pineapple juice. Cause guys, like I don't know. So yeah, that's it. I'm beat.
Single cone.
Single cone, what flavor?
Strawberry.
Single cone, strawberry cheesecake. Single cone, strawberry. Oh, both strawberry cheesecake. Well, nice. No. Kadang gusto ice cream. Ikaw mo ito lang for ice cream. Oh, for ice cream? Yeah. Okay, go for it. I like other one. We got a lot of flavors. It looks like cherry. You know, you chocolate ice cream? What is that? Do the service. You're disgusting. I want to be made to eat it for that reason. Oh, that's yours. Ooh, yummy, 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 yummy. Thank you. Thanks. Ooh. This looks good. Which part we are going? The best ice cream in the world. It's a melt fast. It's so hot. Look. No, this is strawberry cheesecake ice cream. Make it cool down a little bit. Look at my face. I have like 10 different color right now. And so we get dark. Look at 2 days. But guys, we got this cargoed patty from Devon. I'm gonna see what the hype is about. If it's really good or not. You eat it already? You never eat it yet?
I did the fish patty just now.
Fish? Ew.
Just fish soup patty, but you know, got the fish soft. And I don't know.
Ew, gross. So anyways guys, we're gonna try this and make you know how it tastes. Here.
Hold it, but you can't withhold it.
It tastes garlic. So much garlic. Let me get some more meat. I know hot.
No,
I don't know. Maybe I just knew. It not much the hype at all. Now we going to Savern Shopping Center. We're going there and we're going to get KFC. Then we're heading somewhere else. So I'm just going to take y'all along with us. My belly's still full, so we can't get the food to go. Island grill. Like it. Sizzling grill. Fish pot. Tutti frutti. Enorme, sì. Yes, guys, that's my best friend. I'm sorry I didn't get to record an outro. I got home and I was super tired, so I think I just took a shower and went back to sleep. So, yeah, thank you guys for watching. Love y'all. And I mean, what are best friends for if not that, you know? Embarrassing.